unpacking. So I think, this is totally on me. A lot of people don't know kind of the situation of like the whole van thing. They think that we own this house and that we're selling it or we're not moving out of here or anyway. So I'm here to clear up some misconceptions. So number one, this is not our home. I mean, it is our home, but we're renting. We're renting from my grandmother. This was my great-grandparents' home. And we've been living here for the past 3+ years. But when we move out, my sister's actually gonna move in. So I have to pack up all of our stuff. And I think we're gonna be able to store stuff in the attic here, which is really nice. Until we eventually buy a house. We can move everything in there in a few years. But for the time being, I need to pack up essentially my whole life here and downsize to fit in a van. Along with building said van. So, lot to do, not a lot of time to do it. Our goal is mid-May, so it's currently February 15th, so the things I am most sad about moving into the van is my plants. I have a lot of plants and they're my little plant babies and I can't take all 50 of them in the car with me. So I'm either going to see if friends and family would like to foster some of them, or I'm gonna give them away or sell them. We'll see. But there's another thing that I need to go through and kind of figure out. I asked Vincent how many plants I can take in the van, and he said 1. But if they're small, maybe I can take a few more. Thankfully, for the most part, regarding things, we are fairly minimalistic minded. I won't say minimalists. But we tend to give away and donate things that we don't need or use. One thing that we do have a lot of is gear. So it's just navigating what we need to get rid of, all of those things to live in the van. But I think that we will find what's living in the van that we really don't need all that we think we need. So, yeah. You might be wondering, well, why, Gretchen, are you moving? Since Vincent and I got married, we knew that this was not where we wanted to stay forever. So we both had contracts with our jobs, which Yeti. Both of those are up now, and we've been looking. We've been looking at homes for a while, but just with the housing market the way that it is, ever since we've gotten married, pretty much, and not really knowing where we want to end up, we decided to buy a van. Long story short, so we're moving into the van, and our business currently, Rendezvous Elopements, is based in New England, so it just makes the most sense to kind of, rather than me drive back and forth all the time and miss out being with my husband, to move into the van, run the business out of the van, and then in a few years settle down somewhere and buy a house, buy land, something. Hey, 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 hey. Shh.
Okay, I'm with my friend Connor here, and we are gonna go ice fishing today, Sunday afternoon. We just got out of church, and we are going to go to Alamoosic Lake, and we're gonna hopefully catch some fish. So come along. We have we have the sled, ice fishing traps, bait way back there. So we're gonna go see what we can do. Okay, we're out here on the lake. It's a beautiful 40-degree day out. Connor's going to try to find a spot to water a tree, and I'm gonna start drilling some holes, so let's get to it. Okay, so there's like already holes here that are just like frozen over, so I'm just, on some of them, I'm just re-drilling them.
Go.
Look who decided to join us.
Yes, sir. Let's see what we can do here.
Dana, your turn.
Oh, wow. What a slide.
Almost wiped out. Okay. Are we catching any fish? No flags, nothing yet. So we made a fire, slid on the ice. Now we're sitting in the sun, waiting for a flag. We might do another sliding competition. Dana failed the last one, so. Okay, we're decided to check our traps, make sure all the bait is on and live and well. Just kidding, we didn't catch a fish. The neighbors caught one and then they left, and there it is. We're still no fish yet. Just kidding. Okay, we're moving traps close to the rock. You know, spice it up. Like, you know, we're not getting much action, so we gotta make it work, you know? Okay. We got one. Wow.